Vive is starting hot. I want to tell you the story of a six-dimensional Mesoamerican deity, a broke web developer, and a decentralized autonomous crypto organization that somehow has resulted in the #1 trending GitHub repo. That's right. This is the story of AI16z.
First of all, let me see what AI16Z is. That sounds like NBA Youngboy as an AI. What the fuck? Oh, AI16Z. Let me see what you want, baby. AI16Z. I ain't find no repo, bro. Am I typing it? Oh, I put AI26Z. I'm too excited. AI16. What's wrong with mine? Come on now. AI16Z. Forked from. Hold on. Best match, nah. Most forked. I don't even know if I'm using it or looking for the right thing. But AI16Z. I wanted to get into that shit.
So a few weeks
You
ago,
got it in his bio?
Shaw, who is a real person and who is the web developer here, was $100,000 in debt and coding in a tiny apartment with roommates and a stressed out spouse. Not a good recipe. Shaw desperately trying to create something that adds value, that helps him to earn something that gets him out of this debt situation and perhaps into better living circumstances. So he starts exploring the DAO community. He hasn't done a lot of it. He runs into the DAOs.fun community, and they make it really easy to create DAOs. He starts hanging in his first DAO.
That was that fun. Hold on. This is some good information right here. I ain't gonna cut. That was that fun. Oh, oh, word, word. Raise money, trade memes. Word. Okay, let me bookmark this. Okay, he put me onto some game, some
Basically,
gizane. Wrong video. Right, what's this? AIG, okay.
and he realizes that it is possible to keep content creation going in the DAO, even if one of the creators disappears, by aping them with an AI avatar. And so when he's in his DAO and one of the prominent creators goes missing, that's what he does. He creates an AI avatar of the person, and they keep creating in the person's style. The memes that they're creating, etc., match that person's memes. Well, he gets in trouble for this. The community does not like this because even though he thought it was an experiment, they didn't sign up for it. And DAOs are really big on community government and making sure that everyone agrees to things. So he gets called a scammer, and that makes him really frustrated. He kind of
He is kind of a scammer though. Like you're taking art and work with someone else and just plain selling it again. As opposed to someone like me who's taking the work of yourself and having an opinion over it, trying to transform it into my own. Like, people call me a scammer or a thief. I just look at it as people who are upset they can't do what I'm doing. Like, it just depends on what shoe or hat you're wearing, honestly.
hits rock bottom. This is where the six-dimensional Mesoamerican deity comes in because his wife says, "You seem really stressed. You probably need to take some DMT." So he does. And he goes on a little trip, and he meets what he describes as a six-dimensional Mesoamerican demon or deity of some sort, has a moment of clarity. He comes back and hangs out with the founder of DAOs.fun for lunch, and they start spitballing ideas. And he has this sense of clarity that there's really something around AI avatars and crypto. And he says, what if we do something where we actually clone a prominent investor from their publicly available writings and start a DAO around that. And they do. And it's called AI16Z because they're cloning Marc Andreessen, P. Marca, also known as the guy who helped get Goatius Maximus off the ground because he helped fund the AI bot Truth Terminal. And he's also a prominent.
Is this some satirical way of like making money? Because I honestly don't see anything wrong with it so far. To get the person that initiated AI chatbots as an AI VC on another kind of project under the Solana, like I don't know if that's all it is. Then think people just mad they ain't know the truth up front.
Prominent venture capitalist. He is the leading voice in A16Z, which is Andreessen Horowitz. And they take his available writings and they clone him into an AI agent, or they're in the process of doing so. This is not actually made investment decisions yet, so it's not clear how far he's gotten on this journey. And so they give it a try. They're like, look, we'll stand this up. We'll call it AI16Z. We'll disclaim any association with actual A16Z for legal reasons. I mean, I don't know how this all works legally. This seems like it's quite a mess. But they're going to disclaim all association. They're going
Legally, yeah, because they may catch you on copyright or try to catch you on money laundering. Something, if they try to catch you on money laundering or something financial, you done. Hey, that's it. They just don't want that product out at fucking all. But if it's nothing like that, and it's more so of a, I guess, a reputation thing, rebranding yourself will be inevitably important. And that's all I could say. Because you don't want to rebrand and have the same AI16Z type of name. You kind of want to rebrand and, be remembered as like someone who worked for the company and you're doing better things now. So it's, again, depending on what hat you want to wear.
to launch it and see what happens. And their goal was, I think, to get $250,000 in there in sort of tokens the community contributes, have a little fund, have the AI agent manage it. Well, it blows past their expectations. I think they hit their goal in 25 minutes and then they just go on from there. And now the fund is at $2 billion. He's obviously paid off his $100,000 in debt. Hopefully, he has a nicer place to live. And the the pressure on the fund is now much higher. Like if this was an experiment 2 or 3 weeks ago, this is now something where lots of people are betting real money that this
On it.
AI agent is going to be able to make excellent venture capital decisions on the quality, on the par with Marc Andreessen, a legendary venture capitalist investor. I don't know if they're right. My bias would be that they're wrong. It's very hard to make good venture capital decisions. But I think it illustrates a number of the trends that are going on into 2025 really cleanly. One, AI and crypto are converging. And I think part of why they're converging is crypto gives AI space to innovate.
I've been saying this since the dawn of time, and the only comments I'd get is I'm taking another person's content rather than the other content where I'm saying AI, crypto, and everything machine learning and LLM will serve as a great purpose. It's just down to the logistics portion. I don't think that all these use case factors are the point. I forgot what creator I reviewed where he said the blockchain and NFT space is like it's scammers, bro. Like that's not what blockchain was made for or crypto or Bitcoin. In all honesty, blockchain would be perfect for a medical operation. You'd have a logistic of all your medications, where it's coming from, who has it, and the payments that's going on. It's like a logistical note or a full-on receipt of everything in your operation going on. So if a nigga from tax tell you, hey, look, I need an itemized, detailed receipt of what the fuck is going on for your business. Nigga, you just go on your node and you release all the documents and you give them the motherfucking receipt. That's legit what blockchain could be used for on a use case level. Y'all motherfuckers is out here making NFTs and NFT games and having the world confused at what the fuck is an NFT game gonna do? There's no utility behind it, my nigga. I could make a if I hold your ass, like if I steal everything from your account and you have an NFT game, nigga, it's over. You will never get anything that you lost. Why the fuck would you want to play a game like that? I prefer to play a game if something happened to me, then I could get my items back. My niggas be out here tripping.
at a speed that's faster than traditional financial markets. You saw that here. There was no sort of blocker. They could innovate, get a fund set up, and get going in a matter of a couple of weeks. That would never happen with traditional financial instruments. I think another theme it underscores is that power is decentralizing. This is an ordinary web developer who had a trip and an idea and now is essentially managing a $2 billion investment fund. Now, he's not managing it directly, the AI agent is, but he's the creator, he's heavily involved, he's the one going to China and Hong Kong and Seoul and other places. And that underscores for me how AI is a leveler. And I think we're going to see more stories like that. And then I think the third thing that I want to call out,
I don't think AI is a leveler. Let me get to
involved, he's the one going to, the AI agent is actually managing a $2 billion investment trip and an idea. Now we can see more stories.
So what I'll say is, yeah, you're gonna see a lot of people off drugs who are in that programming niche, drugs and the worst kinds of things, having a lot of like scientific breakthrough ideas because the AI human ethics, AI ethics and human ethics are two different things. Like human ethics is the dumbest shit you'll ever realize. I could pull a gun on you, and depending on the circumstances, I could be right, I could be wrong. Doesn't matter what the fuck it is. If I'm in Florida, hey, look, I might be right. If I'm in New York, I might be wrong just for having the gun. AI ethics say right is right, wrong is wrong. So we blurred the line between what's right and what's wrong so much because we just some fucked up people. Like we just fucked up at heart. AI ethics is not going to be that like lenient with what's right and wrong. Like if you're a specific type of fucked up, nigga, you might be in the worst era of living in like since the dawn of time. My nigga, you might as well just I ain't gonna say it, but you might as well just hey pack it up. You gonna be out of here by 2030. I'm gonna be honest with you. By 2030, AI is just gonna reach you personally. It's either gonna be your lifespan, your financial span, or your mental capacity. Because you gonna be lost in the source.
Stories like that. And then I think the third thing that I want to call out is that at the end of the day, people are going to try a tremendous number of tasks for AI agents to solve. And it remains very unclear where AI agents have true alpha, where they have an edge over humans. And
Yo, I'm getting tired of y'all. A AI agent is an autonomous process, bruh. That's all it is. Why do you think this AI agent is such a big deal? Yo, I'm here thinking that this nigga know what an AI. It's an autonomous process. It's a business operation that's running. Venture capitalists or whoever the fuck that was, that nigga is being copied and the same moves that he's doing, the AI agent is doing because it's an automation process, bro. What the fuck is niggas talking about now, bro? Like what are you gonna say, bro? What? Oh man, hold on. Before the AI agent is made with 11 labs. That is, wait, 11 labs. Yeah, honestly, bro, if you believe an AI agent is exactly what niggas on YouTube think it is, then hey, look, knock yourself out, man. Anyways, Nate, great piece of article. Love it. I'm about to check it out myself. I already got the AI project piece right in front of me. Also got the Pac-Man thing right next to me as well. Yeah, I think that one is the best comment as well because he mentioned automated, and I still don't think people like whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, yeah.